we go. Where you guys going? Where you after, Barkley? I'm trying to read this. I got pie pans out. You probably can hear them banging once in a while. Try to keep the squirrels out of the fruit trees. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. You're always peeing every time we take a walk. Her, not so much. That's a fake flower, dog. It blew all the way off that deck for some reason. Look at her. She comes out here and sometimes she just lays in the sun. Hey girl, are you that lazy? Hold on, Barkley. Hey, Lucy, come on. Hey, you want me to carry you? I'll carry you. A little breeze going on. Come on. I don't know if I'll keep the squirrels out. I heard there was one spot in the trees when it was banging, but I haven't seen none yet. I suppose he did flowers off gladiolus. They had it. They spent their time. Gonna use it, girl? Barkley watching you. Yeah, the good girl, Lucy. Good girl. That's a good girl. Now Barkley gotta taste it. That's a nasty old dog. Come on, Barkley. Come on, Barkley. Come on, Barkley. You already peed once. Come on, Barkley. 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 Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. You peed again. Let's go in the house. Turn the camera off. Oh, bless you.